Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can fix Roblox stuck on loading screen on PS4 or PS5. To do that you will need your mobile device. You'll have to download and install Roblox application on your mobile device. After that you'll have to log in with your account that you're using on your PS4 and PS5, and then as you can see I'm at the home tab. From here you'll have to go to more, which is at the bottom right corner. As you can see the three dot icon, press on that. After that you'll have to go to scroll down a bit. You'll see settings, go to settings, and here you'll see a security at the top. Press on security. After pressing it will load the page, and as you scroll down a bit you will see where you logged in section. So as you can see here you will see all the devices that you've logged in with this account in Roblox. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to select your PS4 or PS5, the device that you are having issues with, and simply press on that and log out of session. Press on this button and it will log you out of that session. So if you cannot find it here, what you can do it is simply press the log out of all other sessions button at the very bottom, and it will log out of your all the sessions that you have currently signed in, and hopefully this will fix the stuck on loading screen issue. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.